Assalamu alaikum. This is Nadia Noshin. I'll be demonstrating the first few parts of our project. First, we have to install XAMPP in the computer. For the data, we have to configure some DNS, which is ACME secure server, which is a local server with the security certificate identified as AcmeRootCA, signing another CA and subroot CA, which is AcmeCA. RootCA will sign AcmeCA verysecure-server.com based on the requirement, which is www.verysecure-server.com. Inside the domain, I have created a website .html file. This is my basic HTML code. Okay, here I have already changed the root and path. Very secure server. Okay, here we will simply just copy this command and paste it here. SSS.xce. Okay. Now we will use another command, which is this.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Mahabub Hassan. I am from CSC department. Now I am going to talk about the second part of our project. Now we have to install the certificate. Let's go to this. Let's go to this PC. Local disk C, then XAMPP, then Apache, then Bean, and we have to find the root CA certification. This certification is not trusted, so we have to install certificate. We have to use local machine, then we have to trusted root certificate, next, and finish. Then we can see that okay, then we can see that this certificate is okay. Now if we see the subroot CS certificate, this is also this certificate is also okay. After that, now we have to copy the server certificate, server CRT server.key. We can find this from XAMPP, Apache, bin folder. We can find this file here. We see server CSR server key and server CRT. This is the server CRT. So now I will copy this and 153 cyber security, and my contact information Mahbub Hassan, email and phone number. And this is the view site. Connection is secure, cookie site data, and certificate is valid.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Alid Hassan Saqib from Group 10. Now I am going to present our project. Our project is about securing a network system with public key infrastructure implementing transport layer security on HTTP for HTTPS connection. An HTML file because we create a website, so that's because we have to use a HTML file, and we create here, and we use Windows C file, and the folder name is very secure server. Then first thing first, we have to do DNS configuration. For this, we have to follow this path: C drive, Windows system 32 drivers, etc hosts, and this host file is here work with some configure, and we have to change some data here. We open the host and change according to this data, and we use this because this is a standard entry mapping the localhost IP address. So we use this command, and then we have to edit another entry using the path. We open XAMPP Apache config, then open httpd.config, and the entries will be document root and directory location, and those two location must be changed. We open this file and find out this line and change the location according to our website. Then open the command prompt with the administration permission. And for OpenSSL environment path configuration, we have to use this command OpenSSL. And then after the command, we see the information, and then creating a server certificate. This is the most important thing. And for this, we have to use this command. And first command is it. And after using this command, we show this thing. Here is some entry option. For country name, we used BD, state, province, Dhaka, etc. And we fill all the form, then press enter. So it's now entry as our certificate. Then we have to create subroot CA certificate. First command for making a subroot CA certificate is this. And after enter, it will create a subroot certificate, and it looks like that. We entered all the thing. For creating a root CA certificate, we use this command and input here in the command prompt and press enter. Then fill up the all entry. Then it will be create a root CA certificate. Thank you so much. This was from my part, and Durjay Boromanna will complete rest of the part. Thank you so much.
I am Durjay Manna, and thank you, Alid Hassan Saqib. Now for creating the ext file, this is our command, and created file shown as by the several commands, and now this is our physical SS. Subroot CA certificate with root CA, several commands for exporting the subroot CA and key file and assigning the server. A certificate with subroot CA and uses several commands for assigning them. Now this command shows the output of the execution. And for replacing the RSA encryption from the server and subroot CA key by the mentioned command, also shown the command perform. and replacing key also replaces the commands. Now for creating certificate, output is after creating certificate the output is shown where the server is secured, and this is our physical website. In the conclusion part, the implementation of public key infrastructure in tandem with transport layer security stands as a critical advancement in enhancing the security of network and security connection systems, particularly in the realm of security connections. This integration not only ensures the encryption of data during transit but also establish a robust framework for authentication and integrity verification of communication channels. In this report, the foundational principles of PKI and its integration with TLS, their pivotal role in connecting a secure digital infrastructure, the examination of practical consideration, real world case studies, and insights into the challenges. The collaborative uses of PKI and TLS not only fortifies individual entities and but also reinforce the collective strength of the digital community in the face of evolving cyber challenges. Thank you. That's all from our side.